Hi kids, let's see what surprises the Easter Bunny left for us. Oh look kids, the Easter Bunny left us a car. Can you tell me what color this car is? Yellow! Great job! Can you say open? Open! Great job! Oh look kids, it's a yellow school bus inside the surprise! Wow! Can you tell me what color is our next car? Green! Great job! Oh, I wonder what's inside the car, but I'm gonna need your help to open it. Can you say open? Open! Terrific! Awesome! Let's see what's inside. Look kids, it's a frog! Do you know what sound the frog makes? Ribbit, ribbit. Great job kids, you're doing awesome. Now can you tell me what color is our next car? Orange! Awesome! You guys are doing great. Wonder what's inside this orange car. Once again, I'm gonna need your help to open it. Can you say open? Open! Oh, you guys are superstars. Let's see what's inside. Look kids, it's an orange fish. Fish live in the sea and swim all day long. Oh, I can't wait to see what's next. Can you tell me what color this car is? Is it green, blue, or pink? Great job! It's pink. Oh, I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's take a look. I'm going to need your help again. Can you say open? Open. Great job, kids. Thanks for your help. How exciting! We have a spinner. Can you help me count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job! Can you tell me what color this car is? Is it pink, purple, or blue? Great job! It's blue, of course. Let's open this blue car up. Say open. Open. Great job, kids. You're doing great. Wow, look at this surprise. It's a blue boat. Can you guess what color this car is? Purple. Great job. You guys are so smart. Now I'm gonna need your help to open up the car to see our surprise. Can you say open? Open. Awesome! You guys are doing so good. I'm so proud of you. Now what's the next surprise? Oh, look kids, they're purple popsicles. I love popsicles. Do you? Next, we're gonna count all the Easter eggs that I found during the Easter egg hunt. Can you help me count? Yay! I'm so excited. Wow, look at this Easter egg. It's designed as a bunny, and it even has 2 big teeth in the front. And look at those big ears. That is awesome. Let's see how many more we have. An Easter egg hunt can be so much fun. I love the thrill of searching for eggs that are hidden. Now, I'm gonna need your help to count all these eggs I found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are 8 Easter eggs. Now, let's see what other Easter eggs I found. Wow, look at this. This is an Easter egg designed as a bunny, but different. Can you tell me what color this is? Is it blue, green, or pink? It's pink. Great job. What about this color? Do you know what color this is? It's white, like a white Easter bunny. Wow, how exciting! Can you tell me what color this Easter egg is? It's blue. Great job. I love blue. All right, kiddos. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 Easter eggs that look like bunnies. Awesome. Oh, I love all the Easter eggs that we have found. They're so colorful and playful. And the surprises were so cool. Let's see what we have next. Oh, look, kids. These Easter eggs look like baby chickens. How cute. Do you think there are more chicken eggs? Let's look. Yep, there's more. Oh, found another one. Wow, we caught a lot of chicken eggs. This is awesome. There's more. Wow. How exciting. Now let's count all the eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a total of 8 chicken eggs. How exciting. Thank you for your help. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Bye!